This is a video about how I fixed the driver's side or the left turn signal so it would work. I checked the bulbs, I went and checked all kinds of wiring, checked everything, and I show you how I fixed it. There's a box underneath here, or, well, maybe not a box, but it's this. Let me see if I can get a better light on it right here. Let's see if we can get the light on it here. Okay, you see that thing with all the plugs on it there? It's a box. I took the box off. There's a bolt right there. All you gotta do is take that bolt off. Well, first I undid. I don't know if I undid all the plugs. I undid all the plugs. And I checked them all out, and I put some cleaner on there, and then took the plate off, and it's like a plate that, has wires in it and so on. It connects them together. It's like a circuit board deal like thing, and then I stuck them all back on there. And before I bolted it all back up and put it on all together again, I checked my turn signal, and it started working. So if you have this is a 09 Chevy Silverado, half ton. If your driver's side turn signal doesn't work, that's probably the problem. I checked it all out, and I was following the wires, and I could probably go and explain how I did it, but anyway, just to make a long story short, I would advise you to undo all them plugs, take the plate off, clean the outlets on, put the plugs on, make sure you got them on real tight, put it back and check it and see if it works, and if that's it, then you've saved yourself a bunch of money. And anyway, that was what I was going to make this video for, was to help you out, and hopefully it will help you out. If not, I'm sorry about that. Might be another problem somewhere, but anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.